Okay class, so this video is for the students who did not attend the meeting. So para meron din kayong i-review. Okay, so the first step you have to do is you will draw a circle. Okay, then another circle at the center. So, maliit lang. So yan. Okay, then right now I will use watercolor for the background. Okay, so I will use light blue. Wait slowly. Okay. Okay, light blue. Okay, so right now I will use yellow. I'm sorry, don't forget to draw the highlights. Okay. Okay. So yellow. Okay, don't paint the highlights. Don't paint. Okay, then light blue. Right here at the center, sa gitna. Okay, then I will use blue, pure blue, pure blue. Okay, so less water.
Okay, so as you mentioned, your flight has...
Okay, use blue. Okay, so right now I'm going to mix the blue and black. Okay, mix the blue and the black. So this is the shadow. And right here. Just a small amount of black, small amount. Then black, pure black right here. Okay, use pointed brush. Okay, so right now I will add orange.